Hello everyone, welcome to Nanotech YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you how we can convert an MP4 file, video file into a MP3 audio file. Sometimes there are some video files where you like the music and you wanted to extract the music out of that video file. So you need to follow the steps which we will be showing you now. So this is my sample video. You can see, let me play this for you so you can see it is a video file. So here you see it was a video file which is actually the start of my every video. So we are going to convert it into an MP3 file. I will close this video. And now what I need to do, I will simply go to VLC media player here. Then I will go to media and I will click the convert and save button. So a dialog box of this kind will pop up, and here you can see there are different options: file, disk, network and capture device. You need to go to the file option, and then you will add that file which you wanted to convert from MP4 to MP3 here. So the file was actually located on desktop, so this desktop, and here is our video, sample video. So I'm gonna just double click on this file, so that file is uploaded here, and I will click convert and save. So once you click that option, you will see another dialog box like this. So you only need to change from here. It is already selected because I have been doing it before, but if you are not doing it earlier, so you will see some MP4 this format here. This would be the default settings when you will be doing it. So what you need to do is you need to change it from MP4 to simple audio MP3. So after selecting this audio MP3, you need to go to the browse button, and you need to select the destination of our MP3 file. So I wanted to keep that file on desktop. I will choose desktop. So after you choose desktop, what you need to do and what is important here, you need to give an extension here. So sample video dot mp3. So this would be the extension of our file. This is very important. If you will not write mp3 here, the file will not be converted into an mp3 audio. It will do nothing. So you need to add .mp3 extension here, and after adding this extension you need to save it. So once you save it, this dialog box will appear, and you need to start it. So just to tell you, once you click the start button, there will be a blue line popping up here that will be actually showing the progress of this conversion. Since our video file is not that long, so it will be only a second. It will only take a second to complete. So if you see any blue line here, that will be the progress of our conversion. So I will click this button start. Okay, you saw that blue line. It was actually the progress. It means the file is converted from MP4 to MP3. Now I'm gonna close this file, and here on the desktop you can see the sample video, which was this video, is now converted into an MP4 file, MP3 file. So you can see in the description here. So let me quickly show you. Let me play it with VLC so you can see there will be no video, and there will be only just audio. So you have seen this. That's how we can convert any MP4 file into an MP3 file. So that's all for today. I hope you like this trick. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.